Now, standing perfect hooray, ang Madrid's chicken, McDo. Again, chicken, McDo. So, you move here, sir, para si Sir ay makaanak pa ang dami. Okay, chicken, McDo. And of course, mag-mention, di ako na sa first word, which is chicken. Now, isa ito'y unang matunulan sa mic. Ito'y unang ma-mention sa chicken. Followed by McDo and so on. So let's have our trial round first, namin. Para mag-gets mo sa game. Go. Tapos mo na. Amang. Okay, chicken, McDo. Go. Saya na lang kasayin namin, sir. Okay? Chicken McDo. And let's have our final round. Go! I'm so sorry, but you're out of the game now. Go! Pero sa'yo na kayo, seryoso kayo tanan. Medyo kasaya namin. Mabuti na kong twist lang po gamay para mas nagkanaan mo ang alin. Na ako na po balihon, man and sirs. Ako na po balihon. Na kayo na po yung chicken. Ano? Hindi talaga bad yan, sir. Chicken, McDo. Okay? Now, chicken, McDo. And of course, mag-mention ka po sa first word namin, sir, sa chicken. Kami, for sure, nagana mo sa iyo, ano. Go. Wait, sabi mo, sabi mo, kita ng mga, sir. Ano yung mga McDo? Go. Go!
Kode ni Salyo. Kapit takot eh. Nalag.
Minsan mo, mo na kitag-on mo. Minsan mo, nang gawin mo ka dito. Okay, sigaw mo tayo, ma'am. Okay, nagpikik si ma'am. Go! I'm so sorry. Watch your out. Okay. Go!
Kaya mo yan, Jay. Ano ka tuwa? Uy!
I'm so sorry, ma'am. Go. Okay kaya ma'am? Kasi magdahig na ka naman ako ba? Hindi mo pa ganun ha. 1, 2, may barkada na may mga ako. Go!
Chicken.
Naka-U-turn pa ka. Nakahanap mo tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Chicken.
Thank you. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into two. Yourselves into two. Group yourselves into three. Touch your knees. Shoulders, head, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes, head, shoulders, knees, toes. Sit down, stand up, turn around, turn around, turn around. Now touch your ears, eyes, nose, mouth, heart, liver, esophagus. Now turn around, turn around, turn around. The boat is sinking. I'm sorry, Tim. Gibroon ka rin. Group yourself into one. Touch something color black. Touch something color black. Ikaw pa ang butang na color itim. Group yourself into three. Ano ka man sabihin sa mga butang? Group yourself into one. No, form together one big circle kiss, and that's how the game works. Group yourselves into 10! 10! Sorry, y'all. Okay na kuya? Wala sakit? Mapiit mo ako ganyan na ko. Okay na, ready na mo. Wala dyan sa makaligo dyan ang booster. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2! Sakto pa mo. Tuto. Group yourselves into 3! Hold me, ate. Ate, you move backward. Touch your knees. Shoulders. Elbow. Head. Toes. Sit down. Stand up. Turn around. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 1. Naway sa taana. Into 2! Sorry, y'all. Butcher out. Easy naman si Kuya. Group yourself into 4! Girls and boys. Group yourself into 1. Touch something color pink. Group yourself into 3. And for this round, I need 4 kids to win this game. So, ay mo galupit kila, lucky. For sure, kanidyo ko pag. Ha? Gakos, tuwa sa pagakos. Ikaputi. Na, kung kinsa to mo pag nakadaog, as I promised earlier, I will give you a prize for McDonald's. And of course, kung i-mention ako earlier, 1 whole day staycation with 1 overnight swimming sa The Star. Free meal na mo dito. Kung isa ba daog ron, dito na mo dito gigo. Naray service sa ubos. Okay? Parang nga dyan ka makaligo. Nagdaro mo sa nina? So kung sa'yo gisulog ron may iligo. Dora, Laban?
Laban ra.
Happy birthday!
Uy,
Let's go now. Now, let's have our last round. Touch your toes. Knees, shoulders, head, toes, knees, shoulders, head. Sit down, stand up, turn around, turn around, turn around. The boat is sinking.
ate.
Group yourselves into two! Tropa. Group yourself into one! O formation, balik sa formation. Balik sa formation.
Yours.
The boat is sinking.
Grabe pa mo.
Group yourselves into three! Group yourself into one!
One.
Now, at this time, hug someone na out sa game. Hug your mom, your dad, or any part of the family. Ako si mama, ni papa, ni ate, ni lolo, or ni sa party sa pamilya. Dali! Gapos! Bisa kasa! The boat is sinking! Group yourselves into four!
One sa.
Baway. Tira mo. Ay na lang, kamo na lang unong ang akong winners. Manana mo, plus everyone. Kauman, ani. Ritso na mo dito.
Hello.
Di na mo kakaon diri.
Hello.
Dahil mo framing dito.
Hello.
Okay?
Hello.
Okay, go na yun. Dali tayo natin. Ay, kasi ang pinakamalstep.
Nadilala si
Hindi na po, dali na lang. Celebrate your birthday, Luis. In behalf of McDonald's. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And before we blow si Luis sa candle, mga isang birthday wishes ni Ma'am and Sir for our daughter.
Importante ko, mayong lawas and happy birthday.
Ang wish ni Lilo is hope na good girl ka and then
Bad girl sa
healthy. Ayun. And then kana butan na siya. Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday!
Wishes, guys. And Luis, anytime that you are ready, you may now blow your candle.